Now welcome back, my people. This is Nasi I ready if you just join us. This now the coolest show way there for television where people where their head no correct go come make people where their head correct laugh. We are going to share the money. Yes, I will give you people money. You will be sharing it between yourself. Share it.
When I leave this woman,
No,
person live on a loan, go to Twiki. Or still follow her to Twiki.
they never go Twiki, they say they go London, go relax.
Yes, my people for idea now they be after we don't laugh out loud, we'll go enter Tori Don Wowo. How did it be for this Saturday? Let us go there.
Yeah, this is a Tori Don Wowo, and as you know, when Tori Don Wowo with the drop and the way they Wowo.
Yes.
This story where Wowo be say, this woman shout, make una no mislead my husband, oh. Buhari wife tell APC chief and associate. Make we hear the story. This one are truly Tori Don Wowo. Make una no mislead my husband, oh. Buhari wife don't tell APC chiefs and the associates. This Tori Don Wowo for personal assistant the way they Aso Rock. Because the wife of President Buhari, Aisha, don't tell politicians them and the husband associate them say make them not confuse her husband vision on how to build Nigeria. Oh. She said now 12 years it take her husband to get to the position and they must not say they can serve the masses, not be President Buhari, they can serve. She said the past regime will be good like Jonathan regime, say whether not true or not lie. She won't talk, she said now only God know. Say some people, they parade themselves as PA, personal assistant. Say if you want to see first lady, you go pay $30,000 or $50,000. And if you want to see president itself, you go pay all your life savings. This one, you know, go happen for our regime. Now so she talk am. Bah.
To see president, pay how much?
To see
first lady.
This first lady where you mimic Nana.
$50,000.
$30,000 to $50,000.
How much to see Njegebre?
How much
people tell you?
Why they not even put that one? Maybe we don't get pastors where they pay, where they collect money for people to consider.
Yes.
You must pay, clear yourself before you consider. So why president and vice don't go? Whoa.
No, but seriously, if this thing they happen like that for Aso Rock, I don't see the reason why they get like 5 PA to one person.
No, some PA they will get PO.
A PA of the PA
of the PA of the PA to the PA of the SA.
Meanwhile, these people wait on the complaint so it's just like 18 days in office. Wait on the now the woman now don't shout say, man, I don't mislead my husband or your husband. If your husband is able to lead the country like this, nobody would mislead. Now day before yesterday, the man come outside, come talk, say the way they see the way in body this one so.
You want tell people age.
You know, sure say maybe old age fear affect in government. Meanwhile, during campaign, you did not say it.
Don't mind it. You know. And the voice talk want to say, I shall say, may they not confuse
the
husband vision. Whose vision you get for 70 something? You still get vision?
Job like what 80 years old man they pray say no say future go better.
Meanwhile, everything what we be talk. We're talking about the president of.
I better not play.
Na joko. But we don't tell the truth.
Talking about the president of Niger.
No, joke. Let me even the joke. Okay.
May don't say. So they're going to say Nigeria. You see now. When I
we are talking about the president of Niger.
What our own?
Beat Wazobia TV anchor.
What's our own with Nigeria president? It's Niger, Jare.
Our president have vision. He's a young man at heart.
You know what?
Meanwhile,
this no one make Shakara the gang, Jay do Shakara the world.
But meanwhile, you know say the government don't they work already. Now their first thing where they don't ban. You know say the previous government banned a lot of things, ban this, ban that. Now this first thing with this government ban as they enter office now Ogogoro. You know why? Because this Ogogoro have done more harm than good. Now, if I follow affect that cleans. What we hear the story first with the call.
Federal government don't want to say make people not drink Ogogoro again. This Tori Don Wowo for Ogogoro drinkers. Federal government don't ban the drinking of Ogogoro for all parts of the country. The decision now because 38 people don't die for Rivers State and 18 people don't die for Ondo State as then they consume Ogogoro. NAFDAC DG talk say when they carry out the laboratory investigation, they see high concentration of methanol wey be chemical inside Ogogoro. Blood methanol concentration above 1,500 to 2,000 milligram per liter dey go certainly lead to death. So now so the man yarn. So quit drinking Ogogoro.
One question.
Ajagarara.
I don't know.
One question. Now Ogogoro the ban.
The ban.
Hope say the no ban burukutu and pami. No, I need to declare for this na ban. If I want ban, more kuna ban.
Meanwhile, good as they even ban it.
What about Obayin?
Because many people they blame their failure on Ogogoro. Somebody who is and sing, I for don't marry Ogogoro, now you cause me. I for don't marry Ogogoro, now you cause me. I don't enter Jerry. Because they will call it well. Mama Angelina, you know they hear my voice here. Give me one shot here.
Give me 3 shots here. Give me 3 shots here. I don't enter Jerry Cano, brother. I
see my nika, you don't tear for your shoe. See my trouser, you don't tear for your shoe. Ogogoro now you cause me. Can you do me so?
So now they don't ban them.
Ban Ogogoro, don't ban for me, please.
Make every everybody suspect.
But I bet me they not to ban them because many people they earn their livelihood for this thing.
Please, government, please, can you please don't ban girls, fine girls.
yeah, boy. So Ogogoro producers with the bag on, I'm gonna start to use methanol. Now methanol they kill. Mona use ethanol. Ethanol na be the thing wey dey for Ogogoro, the real active ingredient. But methanol is a chemical for other production, not for human consumption.
So the best way they do Ogogoro, you dey hear the name Ogogoro, you dey do anyhow. Person they produce Ogogoro, they tell me no put ethanol, me put methanol.
Now methanol, now they put
person go put English. Person go put English ingredient for a local drink. You dey do anyhow.
No,
talk the prison name of methanol.
Actually, as science student, now let me drag a call.
Talk the English to be prison. All the name methanol.
Lucky. Wait, now you know what the man where they do Ogogoro now because they won't take correction. English. As you say, don't put methanol. Mama, can they say money they put things inside again?
What do they put things?
You're confused.
Okay. After this Ogogoro issue, I won't believe saying that the same Ogogoro where they won't ban, now they affect police or they affect masquerade. Because police people don't arrest or masquerade, say they destroy 6 motos. So I won't understand whether masquerade now don't turn last man or they don't turn traffic police. We could hear the story.
Police don't arrest masquerade because they destroy 6 vehicles. This one another Tori way down our. Police arrest the head of Ogumola masquerade of Adinimodo compound, the Egungu worshippers, Sikiru or Jewele for Oyo State. Second say the suspect ginger in followers and also actively join them to destroy about 6 vehicles as then they do night waka waka. Among the vehicles where they destroy, now one Mercedes-Benz 230. But Ojewale denied the allegation, say now for in compound then do the Egungu celebration. So who they lie, who they talk true? The motto them now evidence.
The gods cannot say the gods will lie.
The gods
cannot lie. They cannot lie.
But there is evidence.
So there is evidence. Police now. You now have gods to arrest the gods. No, I'm coming. Yes, Nigeria police. You now have gods to arrest the gods. Okay. Don't worry. But
I don't go doubt this thing where this story where they talk so because all this Egunu, all this masquerade of this.
They misbehave.
They don't enter computer age. I remember one of them just where say the traffic you carry or yo go London or go enter plane. They come they serve food they pass as they bring food come give you. The person will sit down here you go say, "Nah, juju not the shop." I mean why juju they hungry. After they go carry another food pass, they go ask juju the business class. Juju you go shop juju. Juju not the shop food. He get where hungry catch juju is 14 hours flight. Now juju put clothes say, "Madam, juju go drink already." Bring carry juju wash up. Yes. Oh no, I mean this I read and I like this now they do them every Saturday for now to get that jollitainment evening. Now, like this, we go end the show today. But don't forget, say, no drink Ogogoro. Ogogoro can spoil your life. We will use that video where Clint do to end this.
You like that video?
No. We need to advise these people then that Ogogoro is not good. It comes in any form. If alcohol, I say, oh, you know good. Drink responsibly. Follow us on Twitter at Wazobia.
At ID
If you know if you follow us come Musa Center for June 28th.
Yes, not very important.
I don't drink Ogogoro today.
Everything about my life now is
Now June 28th.
June 28th, when I don't forget to come support our guy. Make the corporation where they make rice the food pot. Make it for full everywhere.
Yeah.
Una, thank you. Una, bye-bye.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Share the
Sorry. All these bottles of beer that have made me to lose my lifestyle. Where are they? You are the reason I did not marry. The girl I was meant to marry, you made me to be so intoxicated that now I don't even know where the girl is. You must go. You are the reason I lost my job. My boss was talking, I did not hear my boss. Even taxi will talk, I will not hear the taxi. Whether boss and taxi are the people I'm working for, I don't care. All I know is that you are the reason. In short, you go. And now you, very wicked bottle. You are the wickedest of all the bottles. I don't even know what you did, but you did it. You, good. I remember you carefully and clearly. You were the reason that 2012 edition of a car that I was driving in 2007. You made me to park the car inside somebody's kitchen. How on earth did I get to the kitchen? Somebody's kitchen, beyond repair. You must go. And you, my friend, you've not done anything yet. You're still full. You're good alcohol. Good alcohol stays in the bottle. We'll talk later. All the rest, you must die. Leave me.